To see when an application was last opened on a Mac, launch the Finder window located in your dock and then select Applications in the Finder sidebar. Next, locate the View menu in the top left of the desktop and check As List if not already selected. Then, click on View Options further down in the same menu. In the window that appears, check the box next to Date Last Opened in the Show Columns section. Close the window by clicking the red X in the top left, and now you will see the Date Last Opened column has been added to the Finder window. Scroll down to the application in question, and you will see the date and time it was last opened. In this case, you will discover that I was playing Minecraft when I was supposed to be working on this video. A side note, if there isn't a date and time next to an application, that indicates that it hasn't ever been opened since it's been installed. Also, this information displays the last time it was opened by any user, not just the current user, since applications are shared. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks!